Brooksaw Antiques here. Today we have this 1956 Hermes Baby vintage portable typewriter. I'm going to show you how to use the functions and make sure they all work. This machine has German keys, so I'll show you those once we get to that. Up top are the margins, and you just push them down, push this button down, and you can move from side to side. And we'll set that one on about 0 and this one about 75. The scale is on this paper bail here, and it has a paper support arm that flips up from the back. So this paper bail is very fragile, be careful with it. Once you hear the bell, you're at the end of the margin. You hit this line space, get you back to the beginning, and skips 1 or 2 spaces. Right now we have it on single, but if you want double, there's a switch right here. You just push it down, skips 2. We're gonna keep that on single for now and finish typing. As you can see, all the keys type nice and none of them skip or stick. I'll type a sentence on the next line. Beautiful. This is luxury and almost like jewelry with the colors. It's got that green, almost like a Tiffany's green or something. People call it seafoam green or mint green, but I believe it's just a light green. But just the look of it is luxury. Very nice typewriter to type on. It's probably one of the better typewriters that you can find. It does have that German keyboard, so unless you type German, it probably won't serve you. To pull the page out easier, there's a switch on the right. You flip it forward, and it unlocks the rollers underneath the platen, allowing you to pull the page out easy or load thicker paper like carbon copy or cardstock. Another thing about the German keyboard is the Y and the Z are on the opposite sides of where they are on an English keyboard. It's got, you know, these cool accent symbols, and it looks like a B, but I don't know. I think that's a double S. I think that's what it is, and there's a real double S. Not familiar with German. We're gonna flip that back down. Shift on each side, a shift lock on the left. Clear that, hit the shift button again, backspace on the right side. Absolutely smooth. On this left top is the margin release. You get to the end of the margin. Won't let you type past that, but if you hit that, it will allow you to go all the way to the end. And it has these gull wing style spool covers. All the brand new ribbons loaded on the left, so it's pulling to the right. And if you want to switch that direction on each side here, you just flip that little lever here to the opposite side, it'll pull to the left. Push it down, and it'll pull to the right. That works good. And these just kind of snap back into position like that. Anything else on the keyboard? I think so. It's a Baby, so it doesn't have everything. It doesn't have a tab and some other stuff. It only has a carriage release on the right. Super duper smooth. Really love this. I love this. The Rocket is basically like the same thing as this. I don't know if there's any differences. Maybe the Rocket has a tab. I don't know. If you move this all the way back, nope. Sometimes on some of them, if you move it all the way back, it'll disable the spacing, so you get the exact spot on the page. I don't know how you do that on this model. I don't know if you can disable the spacing. So you get the clicks. Each one of those clicks is 1 space or a half a space on this. And I'm not sure how you disable that. And that's it. Now available on eBay or Etsy. Search Brooksaw Antiques.